So one of the things that have always confused me about the social media platform and the pushing of the audience, sometimes I'll get a video that has like 10 views, but I'll also have 10 likes. So it pushed that video to every single person who was gonna like it and no more. I feel like that's a 100% rate, right? 100%. It should be pushed a little bit more than that. I have no idea. It iced here. I think most of it's melted already, but my kids wanted biscuits and gravy for a late lunch, so that's what we're doing.